Magod Laser is mainly into the laser technologies, which started from laser cutting, laser welding, and laser based fabrications, and whatever the innovations we do is from laser front only. And recently we started with the 3D printing. Along with this, there will be a fabrication with laser welding, which will be unique compared to the other industries.
Let's have a big round of applause and let's start this amazing morning in the name of Magod Laser.
Completed 25 years. We started with Swamiji coming on blessing us. I thank all the sales team who were busy yesterday explaining customers all the new things we have, and today was a fun day.
ನನದೆನ್ನೆಗಳು ನೀನೆ ನಾಳೆಗಳು ನೀನೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನೀನೆ ಸಖಿ ಲೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಚಿಂತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೈಟು ರಿಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
We did better than what I had expected. Nobody came to me to ask any questions last 3 days. So that was good thing for me. Okay, so looks like you guys can take it on yourselves from now on. So that's the satisfaction I have.
సంపంగప్పన మగ మరి సంపంగప్ప మరి సంపంగప్పన అప్ప సంపంగప్ప సంపంగప్పన మగ మరి
ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸರ್ರಿಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿವ್ರು ಅದೇ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ winner of this game is Team B.
Again, I want to thank everybody for making this a success, and we all look forward for a 50-year celebration. And 50-year celebration, I will not be standing here. Somebody has to stand and do this. I will sit and watch.
I'm grateful to them. I'm proud of being one of their simple, humble client.
And I wish them all the best in their future endeavor.
And we are very happy with them, and the customer is also very happy, so we are also very happy.
So I wish a lot of success to Magod in the years to come.
And let them move with a great success. I wish them all the best in the near future.
And we look forward to be associated for the continuous next 25 years and have to see 50 years.
Congratulations Magod for your silver jubilee.
I congratulate Magod Laser on their 25th years.